Wait, what do you have? It's a Hello Kitty scooter with a remote control. Can I borrow first? So this is Hello Kitty. Oopsie! Don't run it yet. Hello Kitty riding her scooter. You can turn her head like that. And you can move her arms as well. And this one also, you can move it. Oh, when you press that button, what happens? She says what? Woohoo! How many batteries are needed? I think you need 3 AA batteries over here.
But they put it already.
Yeah, and I put it already. And can you show me the remote control? How many wheels are there? 2 wheels. 1 and 2.
There's one here.
Oh, 3. 3 wheels. Can you show me the back?
This one is the remote.
And this one's the remote control.
This.
So, wait. There's also a button here that says what? Try me. Can you put it on normal? Okay. And then, show me. This is the remote control. So this is, you press this to rotate the scooter. Has to be like on a, see? Forward. Backward. Turn around. Forward first. And then turn around. And then forward again. And then turn around. There's no reverse. No reverse. Okay. Forward. Sige, turn. Rotate first. And then forward.
See that? Press that button.
And then turn around again. Turn around. Turn around. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. And then forward. Turn around. You should know how to control it so that it doesn't hit anything. Rotate first. Some more. Rotate some more. Good job.
That's the
Go some more. Forward. And then stop. And then rotate. A bit forward. A bit forward. And then rotate. I think she's having a hard time Because this is not a smooth floor. It's a rubber floor.
I can use your room.
Huh?
I think I can use your room.
Okay, let's go to my room. Stop. And then move. Forward. Move forward. Rotate and then move forward. Okay, move. Rotate a bit. Okay. Not so much. Just rotate so that it will turn. Rotate. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Come here, kitty. Come here, Hello Kitty. Come here, rotate. I said rotate eh. Oh, and then move forward. Move. Forward. Look at the arrows. Good job. Forward some more. Hey kitty, where are you going? And then rotate. Rotate. It won't rotate? Why? Rotate some more. Some more. Oops, not so much. So that it will go back to you. Some more. That's an... Okay, move. Forward.
This means a lesson. This means a lesson.
Lesson? What do you mean?
Lesson means how to drive.
How to drive.
Mommy, she needs a lesson
She needs a lesson in what?
of driving the scooter.
Kitty needs a lesson or you need a lesson?
She needs a lesson.
Not you?
Yes.
Why? Do you know how to drive?
Yes.
Are you sure?
She needs a lesson how do you lick it. She doesn't like that.
Oh, rotate.
That's it. I'm going to teach her.
Okay, you teach her.
Uh-oh. Isn't I pressed the button? Uh-oh. Mommy, this time it's on the wall. It's on the wall. This side's wrong. Here.
Only one. You press one button. How about rotate?
She needs a lesson.
Can I try it? Can I play with it? Where are you going?